Welcome to my channel again. Today we shall be making super stable powdered whipped cream frosting. To make this super stable frosting today, we shall be using Miesta whipping cream powder, and it is absolutely divine. A trial will convince you. It is so stable. Okay, so I am measuring 500 grams of this powder. Pour it into your mixing bowl, and we shall be using our balloon whisk to mix this. Now I'm going to be measuring 2 cups of super cold, ice cold water. You can either use water or you use milk. Either way, it works perfectly. And also, you can add any flavoring of your choice, but I actually forgot to add mine because I was so in a hurry and super excited to use this wonder product. Now we shall be mixing this on high speed for about 10 to 15 minutes. And as we mix, you will notice that it's going to increase in volume. It's going to be like double its size. That is how this product works. It doubles up. It gives you so much value, and it works or is perfect for cake owners like us, cake business owners like us. This particular quantity can cover a size 10-inch cake conveniently, and you even have some left over. So voila, our whipped cream frosting is ready to be used. You can go ahead and start using it like I'm doing now, or you can just pop it up into the freezer and let it rest for about 10 minutes. So from now on, you just be seeing or watching exactly how I used it to decorate my cake. If this is your first time of being on my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would love you to look below and press the subscribe button, and also do not forget to press the notification bell so that you know when we post videos like this. We are all about cake decoration and cake decorating arts. Also, we'll be happy if you give us a thumbs up. It will encourage us to make more videos like this, and you can share these videos with your friend. There's so much joy in sharing. Thank you so much.